This is my Canvas page. The students come to the Welcome to Miss Rushton's Language Arts class. That is the first one. I'm just going to go a little backwards. I have many assignments on here. Sorry for the slack. The one thing I really like, and this is my reading discussions that I've been doing. I'm going to pull in the mod anyway. The kids go in and they do their discussions in here. And then I'm going to show you what one would look like. So the kids have to go in, it gives them what I want them to do, and I changed it for fourth quarter. And they have set things they need to do, and then they need to respond to two of their peers. This is something that I have just started doing this year that I've had so much luck with. And here's like kids that have responded. They have theirs in there, and it makes it so nice to grade. I've enjoyed it so much. I do want to show my grades. This is my grading book. It's a little slow going. And here's where it shows me how the kids are doing. One thing I did find out, not that anyone, I don't know if you're interested, but I found that if I do an assignment at the end of the quarter and then I let it carry over to the next quarter, I didn't realize Canvas wouldn't do that. And so it looks like I haven't graded these, but I have. But I wanted to pull one up. See if I can go into the speed grader. Okay, the thing I've really enjoyed this, because I've used a rubric this time to see where the kids are at. So you can see where I've used the rubric to how the kids are doing. And oh my heck, it's made grading. I love rubrics. I have planned on, I have a little bit of trouble with this. So I can track and see where they're going. It can be pulled over. I can import the grades. I'm going to go back into my account. So I wanted to show you, like, this is one where I've gone in and given help to, I did a video so parents and students would know the proper way to respond to a reading discussion, because that's so important that they can do that. I'll go into my modules so I can show you. So I've embedded that. I have in our school we do data teams, and we've been working on some really great things. We actually have done things like this for our students when they're absent, and it's been so great. We embedded a Nearpod to give them instruction on what we want them to do when they're absent. It's great. So I do have media embedded. And I have my outcomes. That's what my rubric was. It showed how I'm doing. I'm going to go into my question bank to show you that. Manage my question banks. Okay, so I have these unfiled questions, and these were a lot from the first of the year. And then I have there's Let's see, some for my survival unit that I'm currently working on. And here's questions that I've used for that. Let's see. So, let's see. I've got a badges. I still haven't figured out how I'm going to do that. Anyway, hope I've shown everything. Announcements. I haven't done any announcements yet. The discussions have been the coolest thing ever. I've shown you my grade book and how it lines up. But I love it because kids are able to go through and work so effectively. Okay, so anyway, these are just some other things that I've done in the past. Just how they can do some sentences, and then I've shown them how to do a plus sign organizer, which is something that I do with writing papers for my students. And hopefully you enjoyed my presentation. Sorry, I want to stop. Sorry.